Hi children, welcome back to our English class. Today I am going to explain about grammatical aspects. That is, first one is why do we use should or shouldn't. That means should not. And one more thing, present continuous tense. What we have to use here? So we are going to learn grammatical aspects. Who you all? Hope you safe at home. Yes, first one what? We are using should in sentence, no? So, what is mean by should? Why you are using should? So, here, see, shouldn't. Shouldn't. What is the full form this? Should not. Should not. Okay, these both are same. So, where we have to use should. What is mean by should actually? Do you know the word shall? Shall? Yes. Past form of the shall known as should. Shall, will, can, may, all these are a type of verb. What are those? Modal auxiliary verbs. What are those? Modal auxiliary verbs. So, shall past tense, should. So, whenever we are using in sentence to tell about another verb, that is known as should. So, should is a type of verb. What is that type of verb? That is modal auxiliary verb. What is that? Modal auxiliary verb. And what is mean by should? Where we have to use give advice. We are giving some advice to someone. So for that we are using this. So where we have to use give advice. What is mean by this? We are giving advice something. You can, how like you have to you should do this one, then you'll get some result. So, you have to be used should plus another verb. Should plus another verb. That is modal verb. Should is a modal verb. How like we have to use should plus another verb in sentences. So, coming to your textbook, what is here there? Already they gave clear clarification, clear information about that. Should and shouldn't. What is shouldn't here? Full form is not. Not. So, this is what? Apostrophe. What is that? Apostrophe. So, should and shouldn't. What is mean by should here? Should is a type of verb that we use with another verb. See here? Another verb. Is it okay? Now, and two more context means two contexts we have to use this one. Where we have to this? First one is advice. Okay, we are giving advice to someone, to our little one. Okay, to our friends. So we are using. And second one, what is the second one? Talk about the right to do. That means, if it is there necessity. So we can use that one. That is, here, right thing. We are talking about, the right thing. Right thing to do in a situation. In a situation. So, what is mean by this? Okay, should is the type of verb that we use with another verb. Here verb means what? Action word. So, we can use should plus another action word, that is verb. Yes. So, shall is the present form of this should. And two contexts we can use this. Two contexts. What are those? First one is give advice. We are giving advice to someone, our little ones, our friends. In that moment we are using, in that context we are using should. And second one, talk about a right thing. Talk about a right thing. Right thing in the sense better. You should do. Then you will get betterment. That means better choice, better result. That is known as talk about right thing. Is it clear? Yes. Now can I give result to examples? Then you can understand. Can I, dear? Very good. So here examples. Dear ones, I am giving from your textbook because of your understanding. Okay. So where we have to use, which sentence we have to be using that. First sentence, see. First example. People should find better ways of dealing with oil spills. So here there in our lesson, how like oceans are polluted by these ships, oil ships, no? Oil spills, no? So here they give suggestions. See what I said. First one, what is the rule here? Should along with another verb. Should is there. What is this here? Find is a verb. Find is a verb. So should plus verb. Now in sentence, is it clear to you? Okay. Now people should find better ways of dealing with oil spills. So how like they polluted. So for that precaution, what they have to do? They can do better. So they can search for some other ways of dealing of these oil spills. That meaning is like that. So always should plus a verb. What is verb here? Find is verb. Is it clear? Yes. This is known as should plus verb in a sentence. Coming to advise. Advice in the sense, you can do better like that. We can use should, we have to be using this. For example, here, second one is example in your textbook. We should protect. This is advice, no? How like they gave advice to you? We should find better ways. So we are giving advice to here. So in our lessons already we have gone through this, how like they polluted, how like they and dangers, damaged, all these things. So what they gave for us? Find. People should find better ways, no? Like this. So suggestion, that is advice. Yes, second one. We should protect endangered sea animals. Endangered sea animals. So what is here there? Endangered. What is mean by endangered? Coming to extinct means the number of these animals are decreasing one by one, decreasing, like endangered animals in the sense you can take white tigers example. Yes or no? White tigers, like. So here what is that? Talk about the right. Rights are there in social. Rights and duties are there. Yes or no? So this is our right. Our Right, see, we should protect endangered sea animals. That is our duty. That is our responsibility. We are living on the earth, so this is our responsibility. So we have to talk about here. We are talking about right. So this is about advice. This is about right. So can I write here? So this is giving advice. Giving advice. Here talking about right. Talking about right thing. Right thing. So in that situation, we have to do this one. This is the right thing. Here in this situation, we are giving advice to someone. Is it clear? Very good. Yeah. Okay. Now, we have completed now should. Then where we have to use shouldn't? Shouldn't in the sense should not. Shouldn't in the sense should not. Full form not. So where we have to use? Dear, this is known as apostrophe. Apostrophe in the sense belongings. So here shouldn't, should not. Here contraction. Here contraction. So where we have to use shouldn't. See, you should not go that way. You should not go that way. It's very dangerous. We are saying some sentence to them. We are saying some instruction to them. So here we don't do those things. We don't do those works. We don't touch those things like this. We do not do that one. We are using in negative way. Negative way we are using. Not in the sense negative only, no? Yes. So here what we have to write? These are talking about wrong behavior. Talking about wrong behavior or wrong actions. Wrong behavior or wrong actions. So you should not go to that way. Here there maybe thorns are there. Okay, thorns on the path. Don't go that way. How like we have to use? We use should not. So you should not go to that path. Like, okay, here example for you. What is that? We should not pollute. We should not pollute. What we should not pollute? Our oceans. Our oceans. First step, what we have to do? We should not pollute first our neighborhood. Yes or no? Next, we should not pollute rivers. First canals, next rivers, next seas. After that, our main big brother, oceans. Yes or no? Yes. So, we should not do that one. That's what. So, this is meaning of this particular wrong actions and behavior. And one more example. Fishermen. About fishermen there, no? Fishermen should not, that means short form here there. Shouldn't leave. Shouldn't means should not. Full form. Fishermen shouldn't leave. I'm continuing here. Their nets in the sea. In the sea. You can see sometimes where we are going to beach or anything. So you can see there some nets are like this. So whenever they do like that, some what animals do that? Marine life there, no? So some animals are there under sea. Those are fixed in that or stuck in that net and they lost their lives. Yes or no? So what here Fishermen, what their the wrong action here? What's their action? Fishermen do not leave their nets in the sea. Whenever their work completed, then they have to take their nets to home. Yes or no? So whenever they left, then they will face the problems. Then they are the cause of death of sea animals. Marine life. Is it clear? Yes. Here there see dear. Whenever you have to complete all these things, explanation, next you have to do a small task, then you can understand. Complete the sentences. We use should or should not. We should think about how we can care for our planet. So should or should not. We have to use full form dear. Should or shouldn't. Shouldn't or should not. We have to use how many blanks are there? 7 blanks are there. Here picture also there, see. So we are talking about this. Is it clear? Yes. Coming to next one. Rearrange the sentences. Here they are giving one statement. Reason also there. So what you have to do? They are giving jumbled one. So you have to be rearrange in a correct order and use capital letters and full stops. What are those? Punctuation marks. What are those? Punctuation. So rearrange. Rearrange the words. Rearrange the words and add capital letter and full stop. And full stop. Dear one, where we have to use first capital letter? Capital letter means where we have to use capital letter? Beginning of the sentence we have to use capital letter. And one more thing, whenever we are talking about any names, okay, names of a person, names of the book, then we can use capital letter. And where we have to use full stop? Full stop is end of the sentence. Whenever our sentence is completed, then we have to keep one dot. That is known as full stop. Yes? Very good. Coming to our exercise. First one, see. I'll give a small example, one example. Next, how like you have to be right. Here, my room is very untidy and I can't find anything. This is statement. So this is statement. So what we have to use? Here we are using should. Okay. And we have to be right. The statement only they gave. Again some jumbled words also they gave. How like should your room tidy. This is the jumbled words. So how like you have to be frame a sentence. First what is our in question? What is there? Rearrange the words. So here jumbled are there. So jumbled are there. So what you have to do? Rearrange. First point, rearrange the words. Next point, add capital letter. So first beginning of the sentence, what we have to do? First letter should be capital. And last, whenever completed that sentence, what we have to use? Full stop. Is it clear? Yes. So how like you have to be right? First, you. Why capital there? You should. Small only. Should. Okay. How like? Tidy your room. Tidy your room. This is This is statement. Frame a sentence. So how like, see, first statement they gave, again jumbled words they gave. So how like you have to make it here? So first letter capital, last full stop. Is it clear? Yes, very good. This is about our rearrange the words to give advice. This is. So what you have to do? Complete this task. This is the example. You have to be first understand this, next write this all sentences. Is it clear? This is your small exercise. One more exercise. Yeah, coming to our another topic, that is what is that? Present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. What is meant by present continuous tense? How many tenses we have, children? How many tenses we have? 3 tenses. How many we have? 3 tenses. What are those? Present, past and future. Yes? Present, past and future. These are the 3 tenses we have. Yes or no? So, what is meant by present and what is meant by past and what is meant by future? Present in the sense, we are talking about at the moment of speaking. Now I am explaining. Now you are listening. Now you are watching video. These all are present. These all are present. Past. Past in the sense, we celebrated yesterday Vinayak Chavithi. We celebrated day before yesterday Vinayak Chavithi. Like past, already completed. Completed action. Okay, that is. Or else, we completed 4th lesson last class. So, this is about already past actions. Future. Next. Next in the sense, we are going to next month, no, next day, next moment. So here keywords are there. Present in the sense, we are using now. We are using now. Past in the sense, we are using before. Before. Okay, future in the sense, we are using will. Will. These are the keywords of tense forms. Keywords of tense form. Here, present, again, how many tenses are there? Total tenses are 3. Tense means time, dear. Tense means time. So, how many tenses are there? Present tense, past tense and future tense. In present tense, how can we identify that keyword now is there? That action is going on. That means at the moment of speaking, at the present. So here past in the sense already completed, before, previous. Future in the sense we are going to after. You can, one more word is after. After. Okay. This is about telling. So how, again here present are there? No. Present tense and past tense and future tense, 4 types. Okay. 4 types. Simple present. Simple present, present continuous, and present perfect, and present perfect continuous, present perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense. See, in present tense, how many types are there? 4 types are there. Same as past tense. Only here name will change. Here, simple present, simple past. Okay. Past continuous. Past perfect. and past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous. Here, same, future, same form. How like simple future? Dear, these are not important to us, these two. We are going to present only for your clarification I am giving. So, future continuous. Spelling, as we know that, continuous, and future perfect and future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. These many tenses here, mainly three tenses are there: present, past, future. These are the keywords of that. And here, how many types again? Simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Again here past tense, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Here future, simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. Now we are going to learn present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. So only talking about present only. What is mean by present? We are talking anything at the moment of speaking and at that particular time. Now. Okay, not before and not after. Okay, yes. Let me explain. Is it clear to you? Yes, very good. Next, coming to present tense, dear. Later we will learn these. First we have to know present tense. In this present tense, how many are there? In this present tense, how many are there? 4 are there. In that first one is simple present. Simple present means just verb we are using. V1 we are using in the sentences. What is sentence pattern? Subject plus verb plus object. This is our sentence pattern in English. So this verb is there, no, that always V1 in simple present. Not in simple present, present. In this present, simple present and present continuous, always that is in verb V1 only. Okay. Now coming to present continuous, our main topic. Can I give a sentence for you? Yes, example I can give. So here, I play cricket. I play cricket. She likes mangoes. She likes mangoes. So here V1. Like here, why I added to S? Here third person, no? Third person singular means S we have to add, no? That's what she likes mangoes. So present we are talking about. Always V1 we are using. V1. Okay. V1 we are using. Is it clear here? Yes. Coming to present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Our main topic this. See dear, continuous. What is mean by continuous? It's going on. It's process. That is processing. Ing. So continuous in the sense we should add to the verb ing. Then continuous. So what is the structure of this? Subject plus V plus ing plus, that means V ing plus object. So how like you have to write? Tell me one sentence. Yes, just now I am the example of you. So I am writing. I am writing. Okay. I am writing. What I am writing? Grammar. I am writing grammar. Yes, I am writing. You are listening or you are watching. You are watching a video. You are watching a video. So, watching. Here what is there? ing. Writing, watching. These are helping verbs. So, while you are writing present continuous, helping verbs is, are, am. Is, are, am. These are very important. While you are writing any verb plus ing, you have to be right before that is, or am. Then only you have to be complete. How like you have to be right? Is in singular form. Okay, singular. That is he, she, he, or it. Okay, we can use this one. And are where you have to be right? Are you have to be right? They or we. Okay, and you for this. And am where you have to be right? I after am will come. Afterwards what you have to be right? Verb plus ing. This is about present continuous tense. Yes dear, I am going to read in textbook present continuous tense. We use the present continuous tense to talk about what is happening now. So at the moment of speaking, compare it with the simple present tense. What I said simple present, V1 only we are using. We are not using ing. We are not adding to the verb ing. Where it is? In simple present. But present continuous, we are using verb plus ing. Is it clear here? So compare in your mind only difference. So here, simple present tense, one sentence, I go to school every day. So every day we are doing that situation, that actions we have to speak in simple present. Present continuous. I am doing my homework at the moment. So now itself we gave no worksheet for you. Yes sir. Yes or no? Now you are watching video. After this video, what you have to do? Take your worksheet and you are completing, no? That is only. I am doing my homework at that moment. So nice of you. See, same example here there. We form the present continuous with am, is, are plus verb ing. Just what I have explained here there. Yes or no? If the verbs ends in E, we remove the E and add in ing. Here right. What is spelling of right there? Right spelling is W-R-I-T-E. Yes or no? Spelling. But whenever we are adding ing to the word, what you have to do? Cancel the E and how like you have to be right? ing. Okay, this is about E cancelled and ing we have to be add. Now you can get the word writing. Did I write same? Yes, very good. So again, drive. Drive here, there. So drive. Drive in the sense E there. So ing we are adding means cancel that E. Then what you have to do? ing. ing like this. Making. making. Very good. Yes. You are saying correct answers. Now complete the paragraph using the ing form of these verbs. Already some verbs in that yellow box. Yes, here there, yellow box. What you have to do? You have to, ways of saving our planet. You can read this paragraph. While you are reading that paragraph, some blanks are visible, no? Some blanks are there. First blank, see? These days everyone is working to save our planet Earth. Is working. Is there no? So like they are giving already numbers. So you have to keep that number here. And what you have to do? Add this verb ing. Add ing to this verb and write here. Is it clear? This is a small task for you. So how many tasks you have here? 3. First one is should, shouldn't. We have to complete those blanks. And second one is rearrange those words and use or add capital letter and a full stop. And third is present continuous tense. One paragraph there. Simple. Only add to the verb. What you have to add? ing. ing add to the verb and write in these blanks. So what is the difference between simple present and present continuous? Simple present only V1 form. But present continuous V1 plus ing. V1 plus ing. Yes, is it clear? Hope you understand, children. This is about our grammatical aspects. If you have any doubts, you can ask after. We'll continue later. Okay? Thank you.